welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm going to wait for you while you subscribe down below, and while you're doing that, don't forget to press the notification button so it will notify you whenever I upload a video. I'm going to wait for you. I'm pretty sure you're done. So today we're going to be making lemon tarts. Yes, in my previous video I showed you guys how to make the crust. So today we're going to use the crust to make lemon tart. Actually, it's the same day. You might be seeing this separately. So if you've not watched the previous video, you should. I would advise you to go and watch it, then come back to this video. So yes, lemon tart. So you need 6 eggs and 1 egg yolk, half cup of sugar, 2 lemon zest, and half cup of milk, 1 cup of lemon juice, and butter. This is I think 150 gram. Yeah, 150 gram of butter. So yeah. Okay, so you would need hot water, guys, like boiling hot water. I just turned this from the kettle just for this procedure, so be careful please so you won't burn yourself. So we're going to get the eggs in. Stir this, stir. Get the sugar in. So you should be stirring so the egg won't cook. You need to be stirring constantly, and you need to be careful to stir it. So it needs to get, let me see this one of vanilla. My vanilla is finished, guys, so this should be half tablespoon. Set this in. Constantly stirring. Don't forget about that, guys. Butter. So what I'm going to do right now, guys, is turn this in a pot and stir it until it becomes thick in a pot. Then I'll show you guys. Or you could just put the water in a pot and then put this and continue stirring it. The water needs to be boiling on that. I'm just going to stir this in a pot, actually, on the fire. So I'll see you guys after that. So this is the consistency we're looking for. I've stirred this on fire for like 5 to 10 minutes actually. So we're just going to stir this. Oh, this smells so good. So this is what we want. This is what we're looking for. So it's cold now. We're just going to put some of it in here, and then we're going to pop it in the oven for about 5 minutes, and then I'll see you back after that. So we're just going to put it here. I don't know if you can see it. So it's out. We're just going to sieve some icing sugar. So yeah guys, here everything is ready. It's been in the fridge for like about 15 minutes and everything is cool, and that's it actually. So I made this from the remaining crust. If you've watched my crust video, you would see that some of the dough was remaining, so I just cut them. I put them back in the fridge, and then I cut them, and then I baked them, and then this tastes amazing. I don't know if you know this biscuit, what is it called, shortbread. It tastes so good. It tastes exactly like shortbread, guys. It's amazing. I would actually ask you to recommend, like, try this, and it's really good. Just try it. So yeah, that's it. So guys, yeah, that was, oh yeah. So yeah, that's lemon tart. Yay! I hope you liked it. If you did, well, like the video, comment down below, tell me what you liked about it, and share with your loved ones, whether they're not your loved ones. Just share because you love me. Anyway, so comment down below, subscribe, and see you in my next video.